Hi, I'm Patricia Buccal. You asked for it, you're going to get it. You've been wanting to be able to do Vivation online for a long time now. And Paul Hughes and I have been working diligently to get our new product launch ready, a membership site on which you'll be able to do live Vivation sessions, get a lot of your questions answered, read all kinds of information about Vivation, and in general be a part of the community for this magical technique so that you can learn to do Vivation on your own anytime you want to feel better, be more productive, more self-assured, more confident and enthusiastic. So Vivation is more like a skill that you utilize in order to make yourself feel better instead of an event that just sort of happens. With Vivation, you know the component parts and how they work together to help you to get that peaceful, easy feeling that we all love. So make sure you're on the email list for notifications. Go to vivation.com, sign up for the email list, and receive the free download of the first 12 chapters of Jim's book, The Science of Enjoying All of Your Life, in preparation for doing online sessions. So we look forward to having you there and seeing you soon online.